Ready to ditch the rent and find your dream home? Let's dive into how to use Zillow to kickstart your house hunt. First, head over to Zillow.com. You'll see a prominent search bar right at the top. Type in the city, neighborhood, or even the specific zip code where you're hoping to buy. Once you've entered your desired location, hit enter or click the search button. Boom, you're now looking at the search results on the left. You'll see a map showcasing available properties on the right. You'll find a list of homes matching your search criteria. Now, let's refine your search. Click on the filters button. This opens up a world of options to narrow down your results. Here, you can specify your desired price range, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, the type of property you're looking for, whether it's a house, condo, or apartment, and even more specific criteria like square footage or lot size. Simply adjust the sliders and select the options that best fit your needs. Zillow will automatically update the search results based on your selected filters. Click on any listing to view detailed information, photos, virtual tour, and even connect with a local real estate agent. You can also use the map to explore different neighborhoods and see the prices of homes in those areas. And that's it. You're now equipped to start your home search on Zillow. Happy house hunting! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips and tricks.